This is the 2019 Chevrolet Spark 1.0 gasoline model. The sleek front design and clean white body make a strong first impression. This vehicle was previously used by a fire safety inspection company, which means it was regularly inspected and well maintained. Looking at the driver's side exterior, you can see that it's in excellent condition with no noticeable dents or scratches. The paint is even and the finish quality is excellent. The rear side of the vehicle is also neat and well kept overall. However, there is a small paint scratch on the right corner of the rear bumper. Don't worry, it can be easily touched up before export. On the passenger side door, there are some minor scratches and paint wear. All the front lights, including the headlights and fog lamps, are working perfectly and are free of any cracks or damage. They provide bright, clear illumination, adding to the great overall look of the front end. Here, we are checking the paint and steel panel thickness of the car. This device measures in micrometers, μm, to determine any repaint or accident history. The current reading shows 93.9 micrometers, which is within the factory standard range of 90 to 110 micrometers. In other words, the vehicle has never been repainted, it's in original factory paint. The consistent thickness across the body panels is strong evidence that the car has no accident history or external repairs. At Korea Used Car, every vehicle is thoroughly checked before export. Using professional tools and experienced technicians, we don't just inspect the exterior, we verify everything with precise measurements. This is how Korea Used Car ensures that only reliable, top-quality used vehicles are supplied to overseas customers. Let's take a look inside the trunk as well. The frame is solid with no warping or damage. There's no spare tire, but the floor area is very clean and well maintained. The rear seat behind the driver has some signs of use, but no major stains or tears, still in good shape. The floor mats are also tidy and well kept. You can clearly see the vehicle identification label on the driver's door frame. Currently, the check engine light is on, but we will inspect and service everything thoroughly before delivery. The engine runs smoothly, and the transmission is in excellent condition. The rear view camera works clearly, and the vehicle comes with one key. The steering wheel feels smooth with no looseness. There's a black box, drive recorder, installed, making it safer for overseas use. The overall interior condition is also well maintained. This vehicle has been inspected and managed directly by Korea Used Car, and will be exported after a complete inspection process in Korea. We handle everything with full transparency. Now, let's open the hood and check the engine compartment. The engine sounds very smooth with low vibration. Looking at the bolts, there's no evidence of tampering, everything is in clean, original condition. All components have been checked and are working properly. The vehicle you just saw has already been sold. All the vehicles shown in our videos are carefully selected and confirmed to be in excellent condition.